Introduction. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ginger root, often hailed as the universal super spice. In this video, we'll explore the incredible health benefits that ginger has to offer, from boosting your immune system to aiding digestion. You might be surprised to learn just how versatile this humble root can be, not only enhancing the flavor of your favorite dishes but also serving as a powerful ally for your health. We'll discuss the science behind ginger's medicinal properties, including its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and how it can help alleviate common ailments like nausea and sore throats. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of why ginger is celebrated worldwide and how you can easily incorporate it into your daily routine. So, whether you're a seasoned ginger enthusiast or just curious about this super spice, stick around as we uncover the many reasons to love ginger root. Nutritional profile. Ginger root is not just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's also packed with a rich array of nutrients that contribute to overall health. One of the standout vitamins found in ginger is vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system and promoting skin health. Additionally, ginger contains essential minerals like magnesium, which supports muscle function and helps regulate blood pressure. But the benefits don't stop there. Ginger is also rich in bioactive compounds, such as gingerol and shogal, which are responsible for many of its health-promoting properties. These compounds have potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, helping to combat oxidative stress in the body. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're not only adding flavor but also enhancing your nutritional intake. Whether you enjoy it in teas, smoothies, or as a spice in your cooking, ginger root is a powerhouse of nutrients that can support your health in numerous ways. Digestive health. Ginger root has long been celebrated for its remarkable ability to aid digestion and alleviate various gastrointestinal issues. One of its most well-known benefits is its effectiveness in reducing nausea, making it a popular remedy for morning sickness during pregnancy and motion sickness. Many people also find that ginger helps to relieve bloating, providing a soothing effect on the stomach after a heavy meal. In addition to combating nausea and bloating, ginger is effective in treating indigestion and upset stomach. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can help break down food more efficiently and promote smoother digestion. Research supports these claims, with several studies indicating that ginger can significantly reduce symptoms of indigestion and improve overall digestive health. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology found that ginger effectively reduced nausea and vomiting in patients undergoing chemotherapy. By incorporating ginger root into your diet, you can harness its digestive benefits and enjoy a more comfortable, healthier gut. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger root is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects, making it a valuable addition to any health-conscious diet. The active compounds in ginger, particularly gingerol, play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Gingerol has been shown to inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are substances that can lead to chronic inflammation and various health issues. This anti-inflammatory property is especially beneficial for individuals suffering from conditions like arthritis. Studies have indicated that ginger can help alleviate pain and improve joint function in arthritis patients, providing a natural alternative to traditional pain relief methods. By reducing inflammation in the joints, ginger may help enhance mobility and overall quality of life for those affected by this condition. Incorporating ginger into your daily routine, whether through teas, supplements, or culinary dishes, can be an effective way to harness its anti-inflammatory benefits. By doing so, you not only support your body's natural defenses but also promote a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Immune system support. Ginger root is a powerful ally when it comes to boosting the immune system. One of its key benefits lies in its rich antioxidant properties, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and free radicals that can lead to illness. By neutralizing these harmful compounds, ginger supports overall health and enhances the body's ability to fend off infections. In particular, ginger has been shown to be effective in fighting off common colds and respiratory infections. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe sore throats and reduce congestion, making it a go-to remedy during cold and flu season. Additionally, ginger can stimulate circulation, which aids in delivering essential nutrients and immune cells throughout the body. Moreover, ginger plays a significant role in enhancing overall immune function. Regular consumption of ginger can help regulate immune responses, ensuring that the body is prepared to combat pathogens effectively. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you can strengthen your immune system and promote better health year-round. Pain relief. Ginger root has gained recognition for its effectiveness in relieving various types of pain, making it a natural alternative for those seeking relief. One of the most notable benefits of ginger is its ability to alleviate menstrual pain. Many women find that consuming ginger tea or supplements can significantly reduce cramps and discomfort during their menstrual cycle. In addition to menstrual pain, ginger is also effective in combating headaches. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the intensity and frequency of headaches, providing a soothing effect for those who suffer from tension or migraine headaches. Moreover, ginger is beneficial for athletes and fitness enthusiasts, as it can help reduce muscle soreness after exercise. Studies have shown that ginger can decrease muscle pain and improve recovery time, making it a popular choice for post-workout nutrition. Research supports these pain-relieving properties, with various studies indicating that ginger can effectively reduce pain levels in different contexts. By incorporating ginger into your routine, you can harness its natural pain-relieving benefits and enhance your overall well-being. Heart health. Ginger root offers a range of benefits for cardiovascular health, making it a valuable addition to a heart-healthy diet. One of the key advantages of ginger is its ability to help lower cholesterol levels. Research has shown that ginger can reduce total cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are significant risk factors for heart disease. By maintaining healthy cholesterol levels, ginger supports overall heart function and reduces the likelihood of cardiovascular complications. In addition to its cholesterol-lowering effects, ginger is known to improve blood circulation. Enhanced circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout the body, promoting better heart health and reducing the risk of blood clots. This improved circulation can also contribute to lower blood pressure, further benefiting cardiovascular wellness. Several studies have linked ginger consumption to a reduced risk of heart disease. For instance, research published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular ginger intake was associated with lower markers of inflammation and improved heart health. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps towards supporting your cardiovascular system. Conclusion. In summary, ginger root is a remarkable super spice that offers a multitude of health benefits. From its powerful anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to boost the immune system, ginger plays a vital role in promoting overall wellness. We've explored how it aids digestion, alleviates pain, supports heart health, and even helps fight off colds and infections. The key takeaway is that incorporating ginger into your daily diet can significantly enhance your health and well-being. Whether you enjoy it in teas, smoothies, or as a spice in your meals, there are countless ways to reap the benefits of this versatile root. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on health and wellness. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from learning about the incredible advantages of ginger root. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable health tips in the future.